Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a random number using a random number generator with the graphing calculator TI-84. We do have a function that we can use so the calculator can pick one random number. So to go to that function, you guys go to math, and up here you guys have options. We're going to go to PRB, which is probability, and number 5, or if you guys have a different calculator, it might have a different number, but it is a random integer, random int, random integer. So you guys go down here and you guys have to tell the calculator what are the numbers that you guys are going to use, and the calculator will choose a number between the numbers that you give it in your calculator. So let's say we want to choose numbers between 1 and 200. So I put 1 comma 200, comma is on top of the 7. So you guys have that, you close parentheses. If you guys have a newer calculator, it might ask you to input the n value. So n as in normal, n represents how many numbers you want to choose. So you guys can choose any numbers. You guys can choose 2 random numbers, 3 random numbers, but usually we go by ones. So you guys just choose 1 random number at a time. So you guys can use n equals 1. My calculator, it has the old version, so it doesn't ask for n. But once I hit enter, it actually picked a random number between 1 and 200. If you guys want to pick another random number, well, you can press enter again. And it's going to choose one more random number, and it is 14. So the next random number is 14. The numbers is between 1 and 200. And you guys can keep doing that, and it's going to give you guys another random number. You just hit enter, and it gives you guys random numbers between 1 and 200. If you guys want to change the numbers that you guys want to pick from, well, you guys can go to random integers. So we go to probability, and I go to random integers, and I'm going to use 1 to, let's say, 50. You guys press that. So I want numbers between 1 and 50. So I press enter, and it gives me a random number. Enter again, it gives me another random number. And you guys can keep doing this, and the calculator will give you random numbers between 1 and 50. We use this method, we use this function here in the calculator when you guys want to collect random samples, simple random samples in statistics. So this one is a very good tool to use to pick those random individuals. Alright guys, if you like my videos, you guys can subscribe to my channel, click that like button, and make sure you guys practice, and I'll see you guys later.